गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरु देवो महेश is a one in the world. It is the master of all universe. Some persons say the God. Some persons say that master is existence. Some persons say that master is the Rama. Some persons say that master is Krishna. He comes in many forms in different places of the world, but master is only one. Master is only one. So that one master lives in your body. In which form he lives? He lives in your body, the form of your life. The master's presence, existence, presence make you alive, otherwise you cannot live. Because nobody, the scientist of the world and no doctor of the world and physician and physiological scientist, they do not know how to life comes and goes from your body. They can only invent the embryological development. They can invent the Krebs cycle and other physiological actions in your body. But they do not invent God, the life, energy. Nobody in the world, I can challenge, nobody knows the life. Only life knows enlightened person. Enlightened person, each person, they have self-knowing, they can know existence, they live existence. This is the science beyond your development of nowadays science. This is the super science. This science is developed in India by the thousand years of holy efforts of our sants, our rishis, our muni. This science indicates in the Upanishads. So, a part of this science is the Kundalini meditation. Kundalini is the way to know yourself. Kundalini is the path towards the God. Kundalini is a main portion in your body. It is beyond the energy, but we can say it is power of energy, spiritual energy. Everyone knows that the spinal cord and brain is connected, and the spinal cord is the center of your all physical actions. If the spinal cord damages, persons become paralyzed. The many organs in the body, they stop the work. So now we are talking about the fourth chakra, that is called cardiac plexus. We have talked about first chakra, which is the basic chakra. There the Kundalini lives, Kundalini alive in the spiral form. We have tried talk the second chakra. That is the chakra of the water, power. We talk the third chakra, the gastric plexus. Now today we talk about the fourth chakra, that is called Anahat Chakra, that is called cardiac plexus. In the Hindi, we say Anahat. Anahat. An means non, Ahat means heart. That chakra is the place, very, very important place in your life. Lord Krishna says in the Gita, Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Lord Krishna says, Aham Atma Gudakesha Sarvata Chatmani. It means, oh my dearest Arjuna, I am the soul of all the living being in the universe. Lord Krishna says, Ishvara Sarvbhutanam. Hridaya Tashtiti Arjuna. My dear Arjun, in the form of the God, I live in the heart. So every religion gives the top importance to the heart. Lord Jesus says, if your heart full of love to the God, He will mercy on you. If your heart like a child, the doors of heaven will open for you. Lord Buddha says about the heart, the purity of heart. Every religion in the world indicate, teach, admire, inspire to the purity of heart. So we are talking about the heart chakra. We are talking about the heart chakra. This is the cardiac plexus. The place of this chakra near to the heart. When you transfer section of a ray through your heart to spinal cord, in the place of your spinal cord, that chakra is present. The shape and color of this chakra, the color of this chakra is the sinduri. Sinduri, it means in India, the ladies put in his head chemical substance, not red, not yellow, not orange, not chocolatey. Sinduri, I do not know the exact name of that component, but Sinduri in Hindi. And this color from this chakra, when you meditate on that chakra, this orange type color comes out. And he has 12 petals. This chakra has 12 petals, like a lotus petals, 12 petals. And every petals containing with a special sound. I want to repeat for my friends and disciples. Kang, khang, gang, hang, dang, chang, chang, jang, chang, yang, tam, thum. This is 12 sounds. I want to repeat. Khang, khang, gang, gang, dang, chang, chang, jang, jang, yang, tang, thang. And I want to say in this place that Sanskrit language is a very scientific language. Sanskrit language has a very good sounds and it. His sounds signatures, the sounds I think the special sign of the sounds Sanskrit language has. Very, very scientific language. And this chakras place, the place of element of this chakras, color of this chakras, like a fume. And the six angular, like a benzene. This chakras structure of the tantra structure is like a benzene nucleus. So it is the place of the prana vayu sthana, and the main sound and the main bija mantra of this chakra is yam. And as a deer jump and go, this chakra's movement is like a not straight, not upward, not downward. This is like a zigzag movement, curve movement. And the character of this chakra is touching power. You feel the touching power from this chakra. And it is the chakras air place, where the chakras exact place of the working. It is the mouth and the nasal apertures. And which is the sensory organ of this chakra? Which is the sensory organ of this chakra? Everybody knows. The touching action is found in the skin. So skin is the sensory organ of this chakra. As I say, the previous chakras, different type of sensory organs. I say the second chakra's sensory organ is tongue. I say the third chakra is sensory organ is eyes. So different. This chakra's sensory organ is your skin. And what is the functional sensory organ of this chakra? This is the knowing sensory organs. This is the experience of touch sensory organ. That is your skin. And what is the what is your doing sensory organ of this chakra? This chakra sensory organ, your hand. Your hand catch. That action comes from the cardiac plexus. So when a woman married with a man, they show this type of sign. When you friendship any person, you shake hand, because the shaking of the hand is indicate your heart. Because the shaking of hand is indicate your heart chakra. So heart chakra functional sensation is your hand. Or what is the loka? Bhu bhuva swaha mahalokaha. Mahaloka, it means the super divine planet. The super divine planet, that is the Mahaloka. And where is this Mahaloka is found? So say Antakarna is Mahaloka found. Your Antakarna, it is very important technical word in the enlightenment. Antakarna. Oh, what is the vehicle? Tattva Bij Vahan say the vehicle of this chakra's central power, that is the deer. D-E-E-R. Deer. Deer, it means the wild, very beautiful animal live in the wild, he jump and live in many group of his. Everybody knows the deer. And what is the chief god? What is the chief god of this chakra? Ishana Rudraha. Who is the chief god? Ishana Rudra is the chief god of this chakra. This chakra. Or 3 eyes, 1, 2 and 3 eyes, 4-handed Kakuni power, the goddess of Kakuni power. Dakuni, Shakuni, or Kakuni. What is the benzene nucleus type 6 angular yantras color? So I say that the fume color, when you do the yagya, it good, very nice fume, very good smelling fume. That is a fume color. So we want to say in the last of this chakra discussion, what is the significance, what is the benefit, what is the fruits of the concentration of the meditation of this chakra. That is, if you meditate on this chakra, Vakapatitvaha, if you meditate on this chakra, your vocal cord will become very sweet, and Kavitva Shakti, it means you will become a very natural poet like a Shakespeare, Wordsworth, like a Kalidasa. You will become a very good poet. And another benefit of concentration, of the meditation, of the loving, see this chakra. There is nothing condition. You see this chakra, then you will govern on your senses. You can up from sex. You can up from sex. Sex will not possible. And very nice thing is that when you meditate on this chakra, you hear the divine sound. Divine sound you can hear easily by this chakra, divine sound. Because this chakra has containing Lord Shiva with 3 eyes, and says in Sanskrit, Shabda Brahmeti Tam Praha Sakshev Sada Shivaha Anahatesu Chakresu Saha Shabda Parakitede. Shabdam Brahmeti Tam Praha Sakshaheva Sadasiva Anahateshu Chakresu Sahashabda Parikirtate. Here is come the Sakshi meditation sign, the indication of the Sakshi meditation. If you become the witness, you become the Sakshi. If you become the watcher, you become the seer. You do not become the doer. Then this chakra's meditation can be done by the perfection. So the sound is the Brahma. It means the sound is divine, divinity. And the divine sound, the mythology says, the great person says, divine sound comes from the Lord Shiva. You know, Lord Shiva's Damru. Lord Shiva, Damru. Or this sounds come from the heart chakra, cardiac chakra, from Anahat chakra. So is this sound called Anahat? Dhvani. It is non-beaten sound. It is the non-beaten sound. It is the sound of the nature. So, some says the near 8 steeples of this chakra. So, lower mind plexus, and the person have good loving heart, especially the ladies. This chakra, it's very, very good developed. If the persons, they have good heart. The ladies like heart for men's side. They have full of love in his heart. So they can feel the energy of his master on the heart chakra, because they have full of love. So you want to say, love the God, love the master, love yourself. Your master is living in your heart, your God is living in your heart. Om Shivoham Satguru Bhagwan Ki Jai. Swami Ji Maharaj